Mm. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a really helpful guide on healthy eating. Create a colorful and simple poster that breaks down the main food groups, their key nutrition and their functions. I'll also share some easy tips how to choose healthy food and build a balanced plate. Hope this helps you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. So, let's get started. Food groups and what they do. Food is grouped into categories based on the nutrition they provide and their function in our body. Energy foods, grains, rice, bread, and yams. The main job of these foods is to give you energy. Oils and sweets. These also provide energy. Growth and protection foods. Meat, fish, eggs, and pulses. Rich in protection, these foods are essential for your body to grow. They also have vitamins and minerals to keep you healthy. Milk and dairy products. These are great for growth and protection with a mix of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Vegetables and fruits. These are packed with vitamins and minerals that protect your body from diseases. I hope you understood this part. That means we talked just now the food that give us that help us to grow and give us the protection. So meat, fish, eggs, and pulses are rich in protein. So protein help us to grow. So that means the food that is rich in protein is essential for your body to grow. And uh, you have to eat vitamins and minerals to keep you healthy. Now in here we took the food as meat, fish, eggs, and pulses. These food are rich in protein. So and also these food have vitamin and minerals. So vitamin and minerals help us to keep healthy. That's the meaning of the first para. Then the second, they are telling milk and dairy products. Uh, Milk, dairy products, milk and dairy products, no? So these are great for growth and protection. That means if milk and dairy products are great for uh, growth and protection, that means milk and dairy products also have a mixture of protein, vitamin, and minerals. Okay, so that means now what are the food that help us to grow and protect our body? Meat, fish, eggs, pulses, milk, and dairy products. Now let's see the lastest one. It is vegetables and fruits. Actually, fruits are mostly rich in vitamins and minerals. That means if there are vitamins and minerals, they protect our body from diseases. That's why people tell to eat vegetables and fruits most. Rather than the other food, vegetables and fruits can protect our body from the diseases. Okay, so now let's go to our next part. Next part, we are going to learn tips for choosing healthy food. When you choose what to eat, keep these points in mind. So I will show you some points you should keep them in your mind when you are choosing a healthy food. Nutritional value, that means if you the food should be packed in nutrition. That means pick foods that are rich in good nutrition. So if you take sweets and oil food most, it is not good for your health, because we are telling to eat only a small amount of sweet and oil food. So you should think about the nutritional value. Next, variety. What is variety? Eat a wide range of foods. Mix and match different colors and flavors to get all the nutrition you need. Variety means now if you take a plate of rice, if you are eating the same color and the same nutrition, it is not a good. It is not a good healthy food. That means that plate is not much healthy. Now you are taking carrot and carrot curry, carrot salad, and again the rice, and you are no, let's see, fried rice. No, you are making a you are putting carrot into the rice. You are making a carrot curry, and you are even making a carrot salad, a salad with a carrot. And after that, you even have boiled carrot. So you have make four curries with carrot. So you are eating the same nutrition four times. So you should mix the food and match in different colors and flavors, so you can get all the nutrition you need. Next, sufficient quantity. Eat the right amount for your body's needs. This depends on your age, activity level, and health. Now, in your age, there is a way that you have to eat food. So we are going to see how you are going to eat the food plate, your food eating food plate. Okay, so that means now um, if you eat vegetables and fruits are half of the plate, it is not good. Okay, we normally eat bread, rice, yams, those kind of things, a half amount of um half in. If you take the plate, you are eating half amount of the plate, half of the plate. Now let's see the next point: freshness and cleanliness. Always choose fresh clean food and practice good hygiene when preparing. Now that mean now when you are making food, think when you are making food, there is now there are some animals, some insects, some worms in the food. Okay, even they are rich in nutrition. Okay, now let's take a carrot. If it is a normal carrot, it is very rich in nutrition, doesn't it? So, but if you did not wash it, sometimes there may be insects and those kind of animals. Okay, so you have to wash it. If it is, if sometimes the carrot, if you put it in the fridge for a long time, the carrot may be get spoiled. So you cannot eat it. Some people are cooking them as well, and you will have stomachache, and you will have in vomit or those kind of um, things. So you should think about the freshness and the cleanliness when you are preparing it. When you are preparing it, if you did not wash your hands before making the food, it is sometimes there may be many. Now if you have now before preparing the meal, you are touching some soil, and you are not washing your hands, and you are preparing the meal. it's not good. It will make us sick too. So sometimes your hair will be go into your when you are cooking. So you can wear a hair a hat that there is some you can those kind of things because no, first of all you should wash your hands before doing before preparing your meat, okay, because there may be uh, many germs in your hand, okay. Next we are in the lastest part, a healthy food plate. So we are going to now we talk in the sufficient quantity how to take a healthy food plate. That means the sufficient quantity depends on the person, their body mass index, that means BMI, and their age, those kind of thing. So now see healthy food plate. Now let's see what should there in a healthy food plate. A simple way to eat a balanced meal is to imagine your plate divided. Half of the plate filled with grains and starch, like rice or yams. So now we are taking this plate. Um, we are taking this plate as a. Uh, we are taking this plate for all three meals. If you are eating now, see if you are eating at night, you should if you should the half of the plate should be filled in grains or starch, rice or yams, those kind of things. Next, a quarter of the plate filled with protein. What are protein food? Meat, fish, or eggs. Then the rest of the quarter of the plate should be filled with with vegetables and fruits. Okay. So next, your plate is filled. So you can also try to have two serving of milk dairy products each day. So I hope you got this. Okay. Um, you can. I hope you got this. And we have come to the end of the video. So there you have it. Remember, healthy eating is all about balance, variety, and listening to your body. I hope this guide helps you make some positive changes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Like this and let me know the comments what your favorite healthy meal. See you